So, dear friends, once again we are here in Shiksha Mantra, and that's also for a very clear reason. I have something very important to discuss. Actually, it's quite a long time that I have come live. There's several reasons for this, but what is more important for me is what I feel to discuss with my subscribers. Actually, I didn't get the time to record the video, but I was feeling about talking this particular topic. So I've decided why not go live today and talk to my very beloved students and also those who live quite close to me. Obviously, they're my students, my followers, and my subscribers. So today, I decided that in Shiksha Mantra, we'll have a discussion regarding learning. तो क्या है learning कैसे करें? How to learn? It is several theory that is there. It has been discussed in our education courses, and also it's there in teachers training courses. So and go after them. ये सब बातें हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ये सब बातें लेकर कोई काम ही नहीं होगा तुम्हारा एज अ स्टूडेंट these are not of much use to you. What's useful for a student? It's very useful to learn how to learn things. हाँ, बात यही है कि सीखे तो कैसे सीखे, क्यों सीखे ये तो छोड़ो, क्योंकि क्यों सीखे इसका बहुत बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकता है, और ये very simply if we say this is only a personal thing. You know why you want to learn, and you know what you want to learn. But today I'm going to discuss how will you learn. So my focus will remain on the point how to learn. सीखे तो कैसे सीखे? अब तक क्या थे? अब तक ये थी कि क्यों सीखे, क्या सीखे, लेकिन अब इसी वक्त पे हम बोल रहे हैं कि सीखे तो कैसे सीखे. How to make things simple, how to learn complex things in a very simple way. Yes, dear friends, it's all about approach. It's all about how you feel of learning. So let's have some discussion how to learn. The first thing that you must remember that learning comes from within and not from without. ये अंदर से आता है, बाहर से नहीं. लेकिन होता है क्या? Every time you want to learn something, you jump after a teacher. You search for something. You search for books. You search for teachers. You search for lecture videos. So every time you want to learn something, you seek for help. There lies the problem. Why to seek help from others to learn something? किसे सीखना है? तुम्हें ना. So सीखेगी कौन? तुम. We will learn. You. Now, whose effort will it be? It's yours. सीखना है तुम्हें, तो सीखने के लिए जो भी चाहिए वो तुम्हें ही करना पड़ेगा. Problem comes from here. We fail to understand that to learn we have to do. Do what? Do some very simple things. The first is decision. Decision कैसे बनते हैं? देखो, कुछ भी करो, डिसीजन होना बहुत ही जरूरत है। अगर तुम डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पाते तो काम कैसे करोगे? पहले तो डिसीजन लो। सीखना है तो सीखना ही है। लेकिन क्यों सीखना है? अच्छा मार्क्स पाने के लिए। यू हैव टू सिक्योर सम गुड मार्क्स, and when you are learning to secure some good marks, obviously you aren't going to learn it well। ठीक से सीख नहीं पाओगे। मार्क्स लाना है। अरे मार्क्स के लिए क्यों, सीखने के लिए सीखो। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट। योर डिसीजन इज योर मोटिवेशन। So far, you can decide, you can't motivate yourself to learn. And already I have told you what is learning. Learning is a continuous process. जब तुम खुद को मोटिवेट कर लोगे ना, जब मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा, सो एक्शन मोड में आ जाओगे। जब तक एक्शन मोड में नहीं आओगी तब तक सीख नहीं पाओगे। क्यों? क्योंकि सीखने के लिए तुम्हें एक्ट करना जरूरी होता है। टू लर्न समथिंग यू मस्ट मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ टू एक्ट। सो हाउ विल यू लर्न? फर्स्ट, द थिंग्स you must have actually decided. You have motivated yourself to learn something. It must be a huge chapter. It must be something like this, a book. So this book is regarding English grammar. So you have decided कि मुझे English grammar सीखना है। तो है, पूरा ग्रामर सीख लोगे? ये पूरा बुक एक साथ सीखोगे? ऑब्वियसली नहीं। So now it comes to decide how to learn by making it some fragments. इसे पार्ट करो, थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट बनाओ। कैसे? फर्स्ट थिंग that will help you learning things, that is from the very beginning. From the very beginning, you have to do it from the very beginning. Most of the times I have found my students, they learn from the middle. Why? Because it's in their syllabus. अभी भी पूछो तो ये बोल देता है कि सर सिलेबस में ये तो नहीं है, स्कूल से इसको सिलेबस में इंक्लूड नहीं किया। सो इसलिए इस चैप्टर को स्किप कीजिए। कभी ऐसा मत करो, सिलेबस छोड़ो। कोई भी ऑथर का किसी भी बुक ले लो। When you are going to learn something, obviously take any book from any author, but consider one thing. What's most important? What will you consider? You have to learn the book from top to bottom and by making some parts. So the first thing, you go to the content and make some division of the book. It's only an example. You may learn even without a book, and I'll teach you how. But now it's for our discussion, to make the discussion easy. I'll say that you can learn by making a very easy process, and the easy process is learn from the beginning. And also divide the chapters into sub parts. You'll find it in your books. So if you want to learn English grammar, my topic is English grammar today. Suppose I'm going to tell you about English grammar. What I'll do, I'll start from where? What is grammar? So know the ABC. Without knowing the ABC, you can't start formation of words you can start formation of sentences. So learn from the beginning, learn the basic things first. Most of the time, what I find my students do, they leave the basic things and they try to grab the higher things. Everyone is after learning something typical, learning something extraordinary. But learn the ordinary first. Without learning the ordinary, you can't shift to the extraordinary. Probably you have noticed there's so many things in your syllabus which you have learned even in your, yes, dear friends, you have learned them even in your primary classes. So you have learned those things in primary classes. Now you are in secondary classes and there's a repetition of the same things. Now you've been asked to learn the same things again and again. In class 2, you have learned add, addition. In class 3, there's also addition. In class 4, there's also addition. Even in class 12, there's also addition. Even in master degree, there's also addition for mathematics. For English, in each and every class, you'll learn tense, you will learn parts of speech, you'll learn all the other components of English grammar. Does it mean all these things are the same? It's not. In basic classes, you learn the basic things. That means the ordinary things. And those ordinary things are made extraordinary with the progress you make. लेकिन होता है क्या, तुम तो बीच में ही छोड़ देते हो. बेसिक थिंग्स तो ठीक से सीखा नहीं, तो क्या करो, पहले ये समझ लो कि तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So when you have motivated yourself, now it's time for you to find out whether you are sufficient in what? In gathering the basic things regarding what you are going to learn. So gather the basic things, start from the basic things, and then proceed. This is the key. This is the only one point which will help you to learn things easily. There won't be any alternative. So, how you can do this? You can do this by learning the basic things first. The theory is first thing first, first thing first, first, and fast. Yeah, that's the point. First, first, fast. First, learn the first thing and learn them fast. Don't waste your time to prepare the best. Most of the time, I have found my students, they say, what are you doing so? First, help us to make our foundation strong, and they spend their life in strengthening their foundation. It's of no use. Time management is the most important thing for successful learning. So, first thing first and fast. That's the key for your learning. When you successfully do this, it will be very easy to proceed further because the rest of the things don't depend on you. The rest of the things will drag you towards the end. Learning never ends. That means towards the rest of the things. So that's all. That's all for today. And I'll wait eagerly for your comment here in Shiksha Mantra. In the comment, you'll find that I've already posted my Telegram channel, link for my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel as well. And we'll have discussion on several things of learning, education, Shiksha, and the mantras. So here we are, Shiksha Mantra. Thanks for being with us.